Good morning, children. I am again here with the next half chapter of your book, and that is the chapter name is Famous Personalities of India. So today we will start with Amitabh Bachchan. So children, open your book, chapter 21, page number 123. Okay. So we will study today about Amitabh Bachchan, Lata Mangeshkar, MS Dhoni, and Hima Das. So children, open page number 123. The portion of Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan was born in 1942. When was he born? He was born in 1942. Is a renowned actor of the Hindi film industry, and he is known as a renowned film actor of the Hindi film industry. He has recently completed 50 years in Bollywood, and children, recently only he has completed 50 years in Bollywood. He started his career with film Saath Hindustani. Saath Hindustani was a film which was the first film of his career. Okay. Now children, since then he has acted in more than 180 films, and from Saath Hindustani he started his the career, and then he started and then he acted more than 180 films. Now he has also hosted a famous television series you all must have seen, Kaun Banega Crorepati. I hope all of you have seen, and he has also host Bigg Boss also. He has been conferred with honorary civilian awards Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. Now children, some of his popular films are, if you want to see, you can go and see Janjeer, Diwar, Sholay, Black, Pa, and many more. I hope you all love him as an actor and you all watch his movies. So these are the popular films of his career, and he is also referred to as a star of the millennium. Okay, in Hindi we used to call him Shahenshah of Bollywood, right? The star of the millennium. Now children, come to the Lata Mangeshkar. Okay, Lata Mangeshkar was born in 1929. Is also known as the Melody Queen. Lata Mangeshkar is also known as Melody Queen. She is a playback singer. Okay, one of the best playback singer of India. She is one of the best playback singer of the India. You all know there are many singers like Arjit Singh, Sunidhi Chauhan, Shreya Ghoshal, but she is also one of the best playback singers of India, and she is also known as the Melody Queen. She has sung almost 50,000 songs in more than 36 languages. Children, she has sung more than 50,000 songs. It's a number, children, and it's more than 36 languages. And she has sung many songs in many other languages, and she has sung songs in more than 36 languages. Now children, Lata Mangeshkar was honored with the respected Bharat Ratna in 2001. The legendary singer has also been awarded with a number of other prestigious awards such as Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award. These are the awards through which she has been honored. Now children, I hope you have understood about Amitabh Bachchan and Lata Mangeshkar. Now come to the Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He's the capital cool of our in cricket team. Yes, most of yours favorite MS Dhoni, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, is an Indian cricketer who was born in 1981 in Ranchi. He was born in 1981 in Ranchi. He is one of the best wicketkeeper, batsmen and captains in the world. You all know he is one of the best wicketkeeper, batsmen. The helicopter shot is famous of its batsman spirit, and the captains in the world. He's a very, very known cool captain in the world. Okay, the Indian cricket team won. Now you will study in his captaincy what did Indian cricket team won. So Indian cricket team won ICC World 2020 in 2007, Asia Cup in 2010 and 2016 respectively, ICC World Cup 2011 and 2013 respectively, ICC Champions Trophy under his captaincy. So you can see how many trophy we have won under his captaincy. all of you know, fondly known as the Captain Cool. Dhoni was awarded as the ICC Player of the Year for 2 consecutive years, 2007 and 2008. He was awarded as the ICC Player of the Year for 2 consecutive years, that is 2007 and 2008. Now children, MS Dhoni is known for his love for cars and bikes. He's very much fond of cars and bikes. He owns more than 100 bikes, including vintage and super bikes. He owns more than 100 bikes, and which include vintage and super bike. Now children, he has been awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan. He is awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. I hope you have understood about him, about his biography. Now children, Hima Das. Who was Hima Das? She is an Indian athlete who belongs to the state of Assam. Born in 2000, Hima is also known as the Dhing Express. She is also known as the Dhing Express. She is the first Indian sprint runner to win a gold medal in 400 meter at the World U20 Championships, Finland in 2018. She is the first Indian sprint runner to win a gold medal in 400 meter at the World U20 Championships, which happened in Finland in 2018. Now children, she continued her fantastic run in 2019 by winning gold in 200 meter race at Poznan Athletics Grand Prix and Kutno Athletics meet held in Poland. She again bagged a gold at the Kladno Athletics meet and Tabor Athletic meet. Czech Republic, she has been conferred with the respected Arjuna Award in 2008 by the President of India. I hope you all have understood in this session about Amitabh Bachchan, Lata Mangeshkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Hima Das. Children, I have created a small clips about these famous personalities. So after my explanation, there are the clips of these 4 personalities. So just go through it, revise the chapter, read the chapter thoroughly and then do the question answers related to it. Okay, thank you children. Stay safe at home.
By the name Big B in the industry. Some people also called him one-man industry. Amitabh Harvinash Roy Srivastava Bachchan is the full name of Amitabh Bachchan. He was born on 11 October 1942 in Allahabad, North Central India. His father Harvinash Roy Srivastava is a Hindi poet, died in 2003, and mother Teji Bachchan is a housewife, died in 2007. In the childhood, Bachchan was named by Inqilab, inspired by the phrase Inqilab Zindabad, used during the independence struggle of India. After a few years, name was changed Amitabh, which means the light never die. Amitabh's mother Teji Bachchan is interested in theatre and wants that Amitabh start his career from theatre. Amitabh Bachchan married to Jaya Bhaduri. They have one daughter Shweta Nanda and one son Abhishek Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan starts his education from Allahabad School. Then he chose famous Sherwood College for further studies. Then he starts to find jobs in Delhi, but he never succeeds. He also applied in radio company, where he was rejected because of his voice. Then he come Kolkata, where he spent 5 years and worked in little companies for few salary. Then he come to Bombay. Friends, if you remember, he was rejected because of his voice, but his career is also started because of his voice in theatre. He worked as a voice narrator in the movie Bhuvan Shaw. When Amitabh Bachchan starts his career, he faced many problems due to flop films. Many people suggest him to go back, but he did not lose hope and worked very hard. He starts his career in 1970s. in which he worked in movies like Zanjeer and Diwar. In those days, he was known as the angry young man. In 1974, Bachchan was seen as the guest appearance in the movie Kamara Baap and Dost. In 1976, he worked in the movie Kabhi Kabhi. In 1977, he won Filmfare Best Actor Award. In 1982, on July 26, while filming Coolie movie in Bangalore, Bachchan suffered an injury when Bachchan lay his stunt with the co-actor Puneet Israr. In 1984, Bachchan took a break from film industry and entered in politics with the help of friend Rajiv Gandhi. He was on Allahabad seat of 8 Lok Sabha against H.N. Bhogana and won from the highest victory of 68.2%. He resigned from his seat in 3 years in 1987. In 1988, he worked in Shenshah movie. In 1989, he worked in Jadugar, Toofan, Main Azad Hoon, and in 1990, he worked in Agnipath movie. Amitabh Bachchan also produced a company by the name Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Ltd in 1996 with the dream of becoming a 10 billion rupees entertainment company. In 2002, Bachchan was a super hit in box office as he worked in many movies like Mohabbatein, Aks, Aankhein, Khaki, Dev, Black, Bunty और बबली, सरकार, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. He also worked in कौन बनेगा करोड़पति and Big Boss.
हवा में उड़ता जाए मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का, मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, इधर उधर लहराए मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का, मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, हवा में उड़ता जाए मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का, मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, घूंघट मोरा खोले, हवा में उड़ता जाए मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का, मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, इधर उधर लहराए मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का, मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, हवा में उड़ता जाए मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का, मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, इधर उधर लहराए मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का, मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, हवा में उड़ता जाए मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का, मोरा लाल दुपट्टा मलमल का हो जी, बीचक दाना नादानी